If you could look back at yourself and you're still getting triggered by the same things, living on high alert to protect your wounds, living carelessly, expecting things to come to you, I encourage you to evaluate your life. Without change, there can never be long-term progress, y'all. Without change, we're always gonna have an excuse why things didn't work. Let's get it. Kings and queens, you think it's easy to make changes in life? Nah. Is it possible? Hell yeah. Take a note of this real quick. Can you point somebody out right now and say, damn, they still act the same. They still are doing the same thing. They just never change. Because I could. But let me take it deeper, because you know I like to go deep. Can you see that your habits are still the same habits that they were years ago? You might not even know that you have these habits. Following the crowd, doing what everybody else is doing to stay relevant, comparing yourself to others. Is it really lit, or you're just following the crowd? Personally, I think the word lit is kind of cheesy. Like, it's just, I don't know. I don't connect with it. But it's the smallest of gestures that indicates to us how we've progressed in life. I want to encourage you to try different ways of being. Challenge yourself to see more of you. To be outside the box, not in the box where everybody is. I want to encourage you to be different. To challenge yourself, to try new ways of being. Come out of your comfort zone and see what you make of it. Tell yourself something different that you've never said before. Like, I'm a fucking rock star. Change is not as bad as we make it, y'all. Change is the tool to reaching the better version of ourselves. I'm gonna give you a little tip, a little exercise. Tell yourself simply, I am open to change. And see how your brain waves, those firing neurons in our body, starts to shift in a way that allows us to be open to new experiences, to change. I dare you to try it. And then observe what happens to your life and your mind. Stay elevated, y'all. Peace.